Whereas a fillet is how you round the corners of a solid, a chamfer is where you chop them off. I've got a solid in my graphic area. Let's activate the chamfer tool. First, we select the edge or edges to chamfer. My current chamfer option is equal distance. That means the same distance is applied to both edges selected for chamfer. We can also select the chamfer option right here. Now, how to enter that distance? Well, we can do it manually in the input field, or we can grab the yellow arrow and drag right in the graphic area. Click OK when you're done. Let's activate the chamfer tool again. And let's try the distance angle chamfer option. First job is to select an edge. Now we specify the distance of the chamfer and the angle of the chamfer. And click OK. Let's take a look at the last chamfer option now. Activate the tool. Select Distance from the drop-down menu. And let's select this edge. Now we can specify the first distance and the second distance, and click OK. And this concludes our tutorial about applying the chamfer tool in Inventor Fusion.